Hi, I'm Ben. You're watching Ben Heist Reviews, and today I am going to be reviewing the Pur-600 headphones, earbuds that I got sent to me from Empire Brands Incorporated, and I'd also love to thank them. They sent me these a couple days ago. Just now had a chance to start the reviews. Again, I'd love to thank them for these because these are awesome headphones. I didn't find any problems with these headphones really. I like them a lot, but I'm more the over-the-ear headphones kind of person. I'm not too into the earbuds unless I'm going somewhere. Then I use them. So I don't really use these too much, but I do like them a lot. They sound awesome, but this is the case they came in. It's really hard plastic, really kind of a cool case. Yeah, that's the case, and it came with this awesome carrying case for them. It also came with this, which I'm pretty sure you wrap your headphones around in them to put in the case so they don't get all tangled and messed up. It also came with 2 extra sets of earbuds. Large ones and then really small ones, and the ones on them are medium sized. The cord feels like cloth, which is pretty nice. They, on the case, I don't know if you can see this, but they have ultimate treble response, which this is typical, exceptional, and ultimate, 3 categories. It's got ultimate and treble response, ultimate and mid-range response, ultimate and bass response, and ultimate and comfort level. They are good at the comfort level because they don't slide out of your ear, they don't feel uncomfortable, they just feel right. So these headphones are awesome. They're high definition headphones, which says right there. Can't really see it very well. 6mm titanium driver, 113 decibels. I'm guessing dB means decibels. The response is 20 to 20,000 hertz. 65 milliwatts of max power. Titanium driver. Neodymium magnet. A 1.2 meter cord, and a gold-plated plug. Now, these headphones are really nice. I have no complaints about them. They sound really amazing. They have not too much treble, not too much bass, which I hate when there's a lot of treble. That really kind of ruins them. The bass is perfect. It's just overall it's awesome, and they have this thing where what usually headphones have is so you can tighten it to your neck, and the clip you can put it on your shirt or whatever. The case, again, that it came in is really nice. Something that usually you throw something away that you get when you get a product, but this is something that I'm going to have to keep because it's really awesome and hard plastic and just really cool case. So yeah, that's the review on the headphones. I wish you could hear the sound of them because they're pretty awesome. I guess you just have to take my word for it that they're really awesome headphones. Again, these are by Empire Brands Incorporated. I'll put the link to their website in the bar down below, or a link up in the video. I'll decide when I upload it. Yeah, I'd like to thank them again for sending me these headphones. They sound awesome. And also, again, I'd like to thank my friend Seth for making the song in the beginning for my intro. I'll put his link to his channel up in the video or down in the bar, just like the link to the website. But yeah, check out his channel. He's got some awesome stuff up. He makes some awesome songs. He's also a good photographer. But yeah. Alright, thank you for watching, and that was my review on the Pure Sound Pur-600 earbuds.